Okay students, today we will see the solution for IMO class 3. This is question set 1 of the question. There are two sets are there, set A and set B. Here we are discussing about only set A, and mainly we are talking about the question paper for the year 2019. Okay, so you know that this IMO are divided into 4 groups of questions. First one is logical reasoning, second one is mathematical reasoning, third one is everyday mathematics, and the fourth one is the achiever section. First 3 sections comprise of 10 questions, each of 1 marks, and the last section comprise of 5 questions, each of 2 marks. Okay, in this lecture we will be discussing only the question for the first section, that is the logical reasoning parts. There are 10 questions are there which gives 10 marks. Okay, so let us go one by one in each of the question and see how we can get their solution easily. Okay, the first question, what are the question? If day after tomorrow is Sunday, then the day before yesterday was. The question is that the day after tomorrow is given. You only know the day after tomorrow, but you know what is the relation between day after tomorrow, today, or tomorrow, or yesterday, or day before yesterday. Just write down those relationship quickly, then you can easily find out. Okay, so let us see here. Say this is the, say first one is today. Okay, let us write down here. Say this is today. Okay, so after today it will be what? Tomorrow. Write down tomorrow, then day after tomorrow. Okay, similarly before today, what is that? That is yesterday, and then day before yesterday. Okay, now in question what is given? Given day after tomorrow is Sunday, so day after tomorrow is Sunday. So what will be tomorrow? Just one day before Sunday. One day before Sunday is what? Saturday. So what is today? Today is one day before Saturday, that is Friday. Then what was yesterday? One day before Friday, that is Thursday. And then what will be day before yesterday? That will be one day before Thursday, that is Wednesday. So question is asked day before yesterday. So day before yesterday is what? Wednesday. So the first answer will be Wednesday. Okay, so very simple logic. Write down this on the rough space and check out. Okay, you know what is the relation between day before yesterday, yesterday, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Use that and get the answers. Okay, come to the next. Select a figure from the options which is exactly same as given figure. Just look at the figure first. What is first identification is the color. Look at the color here. A different color is given here. So option B is not there because color is not matching. Now come here. See in this fish, one side only one fin is there, but if you look at option A, there is no fin. So option A is also not there. Option A is not there, B is not there because of the color. Come to option C. See here, given picture have only one fin, but here both side fin is given, so this will also not be the answer. Come to the last option, option D. This side one fin is there, a fin partially visible here, and then other things are visible. So this will be the options. Okay, so this is how quickly you can find out what is the correct answer. Come here. Now question number 3. Find the correct mirror image of the given figure. Look at the figure first. It is a pentagon. These two lines are a horizontal line. Okay, see what we see in the mirror. It is just opposite. If you are looking on the right side, in the mirror you will see you are looking on the left side. If your tongue is on the right side, mirror you will see your tongue is on the left side. Same concept is applicable here. So first you see the outside. Outer skeleton is a pentagon with a horizontal line here. Here you see all the figures. What are the answers are given? All the figures are of same shapes of the outer side. That means using the outer skeleton we cannot find out the solution. So you have to go to the inner skeleton. What is given in the inner skeleton? Just look at this. A tongue is given which is on the right direction, and two eyes are given. Eyes are on the right direction. So that means if we see these things on the mirror, eyes will be on the left direction and tongue will be on the left direction. Now let us find out where the answer lying. First see these two tongues here. In this case it is shown, given in the right direction, but actually it will be on the left direction. So this answer, two answer are not there. These are not correct answer. Now come here. tongue is given the right direction. Here both the figure tongue is shown in the left direction. So either it could be either A or B. Now go to the eyes. Here both the eyes are on the right direction. Here one eye is right direction, other eye is left direction. Here both the eyes are in the left direction. So the correct answer will be option A. Both the eyes are on the left. Okay. So this is a simple one. Another. Next, logical reasoning question number 4. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. So we do not know in which direction the rule is given. Okay, it may be in row wise. Row wise means parallel, horizontally, or it may be vertically. Okay, column wise. Let us say 5, 5, 6. Then available is 20, 15, 24. See here. Okay, so we have to see the relationship here. What we can say that 5, 5, 6 and 20, 15, 24, there is no relation. If you look at the vertical 5, 4, 20, it is something looking like 5 into 4 is equal to 20. If you see here 5, 3, 15, 5 into 3 is 15. So something logical it is looking. That means if I see here in this, here also the same logic I can apply 6, then question mark 24. So what will be that options here means 6 is multiplied with some value that is giving 24. How to find out? To find out that we have to divide 24 by 6. If you divide this 24 by 6, what will you get? You will get answer as 4. So the option here is C. That is answer for this particular question is 4. Now if you see the next question. If pen means ball, remember the meaning of pen here is the ball. Then ball means notebook. Notebook means sharpener and sharpener means eraser. Then what is used to sharpen a pencil? In general case, what we use to sharpen a pencil? We use a sharpener. So here what is sharpener? A notebook is basically indicating the sharpener, not an eraser. Okay, so here notebook means sharpener. Okay, so whenever we are using in this case, as notebook is basically indicating whatever you can say the notebook is equal to sharpener. That means we need to use a sharpener means we need to use a notebook. So here the answer will be notebook. Okay, so don't be confused with this question. Which of the following does not belong to group X? In group X there are some figures are given and then 4 options are given A, B, C. We have to check which one is not available. See the first figure. This first figure is, so the first figure cone is available here. Second figure is a ball, that is also available here. Third figure is a cube, that is also available here. But in the fourth figure is given a cylinder which is not available in the group X. That means the answer here will be 6. That is option D. Now come to the next question. Question number 7. If two flowers P and Q are removed from the given arrangement. Check the arrangement. In this arrangement, this P and Q are removed. Then which flower is second to the right of fifth flower from the right hand? Second to the right of fifth flower from the right hand. First find out right of fifth flower from the right hand. So that is the first flower, second flower, third flower, fourth flower and fifth flower. So from the right hand this is the fifth flower. Then which flower is second to the right of fifth flower? Second to the right of fifth flower. So this from this fifth flower you find out the second flower. So from this fifth flower the first flower is this one. This one is the first flower. This one is the second flower. So what is the second flower? Second flower is U. So here the option B will be the correct answer. Come to the next question. Find the missing number from the given number series. What is the number series? 205, then 109, 175, then dash, 145, 130. Whenever a number series is given, we check the relationship between one number to one number and another number. Here what is the relation? You see 205 to 190. What is the difference here? If I go from left to right direction, then I can find that this is less than 15. Here also relationship is 15 less. Here also relationship is 15 less. That means it is given a number series in such a way that where the next values are less than 15 of the previous value. So in this way, if you see this from 175, if you deduct 15, how much it will be? 160, and from 160 if we deduct 15, how much it will be? 145. So if I go from left to right, same logic. If you come from right to left also, 130 plus 15 is 145, 145 plus 15 is 160, 160 plus 15 is 175. So actually the answer here is 160. Now look at the option where is the 160. 160 is given in option A. So choose option A here. Next question. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of these symbols is given. Okay, and identify the relationship of the given pair and find the missing figures. So this figure and this figure has some relationship. You have given a third figure and you have to choose which one will be the fourth figure from the given option. See the relationship. While seeing the relationship, you find out that how these figures are moving. Here if you see the movement is here, the movement here, the way movement is given here also the similar way movements are there. Now look at the third option and check the fourth option available here. If you see this relationship, only I can say this is one, the similar way it is there, other case similarity is not there. So this could be one way of finding it. Other way is check how this figure has moved. This figure if you moved vertically, then you can get this option. Okay, but here those kind of vertical movements are not visible. No, here it is there. So that means this type of relation. So there could be many ways you can find out this relationship. But another way you can see that this type of solution also depend on the available options. Okay, here if you see this case, this figure is fully embedded on the second figure. So you find out where the third figure is embedded. If you see this one, it is not embedded. If you see this is not embedded, this is not embedded. So third figure is embedded fully at option C. So in this case, we need to choose option C. So option C will be the answer for this. Come to the next question. Okay, now we are on the last question of logical reasoning. What is the question? Which of the following words cannot be formed? Okay, remember, cannot be formed from the letters of the given word. Okay, you check the letters first. What are the given letters here and what are the options given? Options given: paste, first one. So P-A-S-T-E. Check whether those all the letters are available or not. P is available, A, S, T, E. So this cannot be the answer. Come here. Next option is given create, C. C is not available here. So there is a possibility that this could be the answer. Okay, come to the next. Poets, P-O-E-T-S. P is available, O available, E available, T available, S available. So this is not the answer. Tensed, check T available, E available, N available, S available, again E available, again D available. So all these three, option D, option A and option C are available, but here in this case a letter is given C which is not available in the given word. So the answer here will be B. Okay, so students, these are the solution for all the questions that has came from 2009 question paper for IMO class 3 for logical reasoning. Okay, in the next lectures we will be talking about the solution for mathematical reasoning parts. Okay, so wait for the next lectures. Till then, bye bye, take care.